Hey, it's Melissa Mackey here.
And Melissa Sterling. And we're on a Sprinkle Kindness tour across Alberta.
What is Sprinkle Kindness?
Well, it's really that attitude and behavior that you bring out into the world and into your community when you're being kind.
It's pretty simple. We are really creating a movement here. Too often in life, people are always seeing the negatives and drawing on things that simply aren't kind. So we're here to get in the community to showcase people doing kind things and kind gestures for one another.
There is a kindness deficit going on in our world, and we're looking for your help. If you want to be involved, what you can do is witness random kind acts. Then quickly get your smartphone, take a picture, or better, a video, and post them all over social media. We want you to tag us, we want you to message us, and of course, use the hashtag
Sprinkle Kindness. And that's it.
That's not it. It's not it. You can also donate. Take out your credit cards, hit that donate button, go crazy with that thing. I know it needs a good workout. But seriously, we know that you're doing things in your life. You might not have time to do the volunteering that you'd like to do. We're doing it all summer anyway, and your donation can help take us there. Even Jaya agrees.
Thank you.